We learned how to use ColorwayXpress in general terms. Let's start learning the main feature of the software, design coloring. You will follow different steps for coloring conventional and digital designs. Let's start with the conventional design. Open the design you want to work on, then create a new colorway. ColorwayXpress offers many coloring techniques. One of them is the color picker window, which can be accessed in various ways. The first and easiest way is to double-click the color boxes in the top left corner. The color boxes display the colors of both conventional and digital designs to make coloring easier. You can open or close them by clicking on color boxes in the View window. When you double-click on the color box you want to colorize, the color picker window opens, which includes several features for selecting colors. By hovering your mouse over the color canvas or using the lightness and saturation sliders, you can assign the color. You can also find a color by entering RGB, HSB, LAB codes. Additionally, you can assign your desired color by entering a hex code. In the top center of the color picker, you can see the old and new color boxes. By clicking on the old box, you can undo the color selection. Additionally, the closest Pantone color to your selected color appears in the top right corner, and you can click on it to apply this Pantone color. In the bottom left corner, you can use the Pick from Screen feature to select any color from the screen. Finally, on the color picker, by clicking on Balance Tone, you can create a new color by balancing the old and new selected colors. After selecting the desired color, click on Apply. Another technique is to select the channel you want to color from the Layers and Channels window. You can open the color picker by double-clicking on the channel you want to select. Additionally, in this window, you can change the opacity of the selected channel from the top right, or apply the adjusted opacity value to all channels using the Apply to All button. The properties of the selected channel are displayed in the Properties window, which also includes coloring options. You can access the color picker by clicking on the color box in the Properties window. Click on the Color Search button to find and color the desired color by entering the color name or Pantone code. By clicking on the Catalog button, you can access the Color Catalog window and assign colors from the desired catalog. If you want to access the catalogs and choose your desired color more conveniently, you can use the Mini Color Catalog above the Properties window. If you have created a color pool, you can also assign colors from here, which I showed how to use Color Pool in our previous video. Colorize your colorways using the technique you want and create amazing colorways. Let's colorize the fabric to learn all the coloring abilities for conventional design colorways. As we mentioned in our previous video, the fabric color is the color of the fabric that you will print the design. You can assign a fabric color to your colorway only if your design is conventional. If the fabric you will print the design has a color other than white, you can change the fabric color by clicking on the fabric box at the upper left corner of the Properties window. You can also assign colors to the fabric by using Color Search Box, Catalog, and Color Picker buttons. If Discharge is enabled, it allows you to give a color to areas where the channels of the design don't cover the fabric. This is similar to adding a background color channel to the design. And finally, here's a quick tip about changing colors between the color boxes. For example, you like the colors of a colorway from a design and want to conveniently add these colors to another colorway or to the colorway of another design. You can open colorways side by selecting a layout option from the View menu and drag and drop their colors between their color boxes. For another design, you can open more than one design side by side and drag and drop their colors between their color boxes as well. Congratulations! You have learned how to colorize the colorways of conventional designs. In the next video, let's learn how to generate automatic colorways for conventional designs.